Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you Canva video animation tutorial for beginners. First, create a blank page here on your Canva. And then to start, you have to go to Elements, go to the search icon, look for a place, for example, city, go to graphics, and then drag a city image right here. For example, this one, park. Now the next thing to do is go back to elements, go to the search bar, and then kindly search for walking. Go to graphics and you will see here moving character or walking character. So just select one, for example this. Place it from the start of your page here or your image. Now tap on animate, click this one. And as you can see, if you just follow this instruction, then you can create a moving character. So all you have to do is tap the character right here and then just move it to the right side. Okay. Now, once done, you will have your option. For example, you can change the speed. Okay. You can increase or decrease the speed right here. Also the path or the style. So you can just tap on smooth or steady for me steady. You can add effect. Once done, click the done button. And here is the result. So that is the very first thing on how to create a moving character here or Canva animation. Now I'm going to show you again another way on how to create Canva video animation. Again, go to elements and then search for city. This time we're going to use this image right here. And then you can set this as image background or just adjust this like you are trying to zoom in the picture. Actually, everything is up to you. You can choose other picture, but for me, I choose this one. And then after that, look again for walking character person. You can go to graphics or you can copy and paste the first character or moving character that we have added. So I'm going to tap this one again and choose this one again, place it anywhere. And then this time, tap on animate, but you have to click the background picture, not the character. So tap on the background picture, go to animate, and then same thing, click this one. Now you have to move the picture, but you should move the background image this time. So just the background image, just move this and do not include the woman or the girl walking. So just do something like this. And then after that, it's the same thing. Once you're done, then you can change the speed. You can increase, decrease. Also, you can change the movement style. So everything is up to you. And as a result, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that is the second step or way on how to create Canva video animation. Now the third step or trick, again, create a blank page, go to elements, and then search for example, city. This time we're going to use like street view. And then after that, you can adjust this one. Go back to elements again, look for car moving or car. You have to make sure that this is like a moving car. Go to graphics and then select one. Now, the next thing you should do here is you have to adjust the car, okay, and then duplicate. Now here on the second picture, since we duplicate this, you need to zoom out first and then adjust the picture like you have or the car have already reached its destination. Something like that, but everything is up to you. Tap on transition and then you have to select this match and move. And for duration, you have to increase this to 2 seconds. Now for the first picture here, you have to simply trim this one or split or just decrease the second. And it should be like this. So as a result, you have 3 different scenarios here. So this is the first one and it's like continuous. Now the second one right here. And then the third way on how to create Canva video. You can add more. You can click again another page right here and then go to elements, look for other place or picture. For example, this one, and all you have to do is go to graphics and then drag the picture right here. Set this as an image background and again go to elements, look for a specific, for example, let's look for a ball right here, like a moving ball, like this one. And all you have to do is to put it right here. And again, it's the same thing. Just go to Animate, click this one, and then you can now try to move this like this. And basically that's it. So these are the ways and how to simply create Canva video animation. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.